symptoms of hormone imbalance for women. Imbalanced estrogen, testosterone, and progesterone may lead to fatigue, lethargy, and lack of motivation, mood swings, anxiety, and depression, decline in overall well being, feeling burned out, inability to focus and remember things, insomnia, and night sweats, stubborn weight gain, belly fat, and food cravings, frequent illnesses, hair loss, saggy, dry, itchy skin, aches, joint pain, and longer recovery time from injuries, loss of libido and difficulty achieving arousal and orgasm, painful intercourse, frequent urinary tract infections, hot flashes, vaginal dryness, and night sweats, infrequent menstrual cycles or lack of menstrual cycle prior to menopause. Common symptoms of hormone imbalance for men. Testosterone imbalance in men may lead to fatigue, lethargy, and lack of motivation, mood swings, anxiety and depression, decline in general overall well-being, feeling burned out, inability to focus and remember things, insomnia, stubborn weight gain, belly fat and food cravings, frequent illnesses, hair loss, saggy, dry, itchy skin, aches, joint pain, and longer recovery time from injuries, loss of libido, and inability to achieve or maintain an erection. Men with androgen deficiency are at increased risk for Alzheimer's disease, cardiovascular disease, prostate cancer, and diabetes.